Well, there's a good example of why you don't over tighten something's glass, but I thought I'd kind of show what how this thing works. But there's a lot, it reflects a lot, so kind of see why. Try to get out of the view there, but basically I can do everything on the phone. The digitizer is cracked, so it's not, I got to control it on the phone itself until I fix that and get a little better of a backlit screen so you don't get so much of reflection. But up here we can, the silver button is the home button, but you can open up Netflix, watch a show.
The pig is on the job! Don't just stand there, go take it!
And you can go and check out what the weather is. Find it here. It's the weekend, so it's raining out. And but anyways, I keep them all the weather. And then I got the sling box, so I can pull that up. Watch my cable box from home. It works real good with Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G's okay. Right now this is on 3G. And this was a neat app to see, tell if your boat is listing or anything. It'll just take a second.
86.8 degrees, 87.0 degrees, 89.6 degrees,
And you can
88.9 degrees,
turn the volume down.
88.7 degrees,
If you're leaning, you can adjust your tabs.
89.3 degrees.
Andrew.
You can do Facebook, I guess.
Go.
Yeah. You can open up Safari.
Daddy, how do you turn this thing on? Daddy?
Yep.
Can you turn this on?
Okay, that's the fuse is blown on that.
What?
But anyways, that's my little helper reflecting in the background.
How are you going to say it anymore? Actually, I am a little helper.
Yes.
Everyone calls me that. But except people who don't know me.
Yeah, everything I got on here is reflected on there. You can use the Garmin Blue Chart Mobile. Take a second to load. Which is pretty close to where the regular chart plotter shows us. That has the weather too. You can zoom out. The only problem with that is you can't put this in landscape. So you can use the radar and that, the active captain. You can click on buoys.